Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Price elasticity of demand measures buyer response to price changes. We must identify the combination making demand highly price inelastic. First, consider the availability of close substitutes. When a product has very few substitutes, consumers cannot easily switch to another option if the price rises, making the demand highly inelastic. Next, we look at the budget share. If a product represents a very small percentage of a consumer's total income, they are less likely to notice or care about price increases. Combining these factors leads to the correct choice. Option A is correct because it satisfies both economic conditions. Well done! Scan now. Avoid rushing when checking signs. Trust the information and check your steps to find the right answer.